So this training system now is going to be looking at something called cluster sets. Now the idea behind this, we're going to be getting Chloe to work very much in a strength training aim. So around sort of a 5 rep max, I'm actually going to get her to push into a hypertrophy training aim. I'm going to cross over the two. I want her to get about 8 reps, but we're actually going to cluster those reps within the set. What I mean by that, Chloe's going to work for probably 2 reps, have somewhere between 10 to 30 seconds rest. I'm going to pitch it somewhere between 10 to 15 initially and see how she goes. And then wanted to complete another small cluster of another couple of reps, which will take her to 4, followed by another short rest, another 2, another short rest, another 2, which will eventually hit our 8 rep protocol, which moves us from a strength weight into a hypertrophy training aim. Again, it allows us to manipulate the total volume lifted and also bridge that gap between strength and hypertrophy and get Chloe to understand what it feels like to lift that weight at a heavier rep range, or percentage 1 RM I should say, that allow her to push the weight a little more. So I'm going to give a demonstration, then Chloe's going to give it a go. All right, Chloe, so leg press can be the exercise. When you come into the position, handles on the right hand side, just lift that up. That'll take the weight away. You're in position, hands on, weight down, big press out, okay? To re-rack, just pull that handle back towards you. That'll bring that back into play, okay? Again, we're looking for those 2 reps, small allotted rest, 2 reps, small rest, 2 reps, small rest. Yeah, cool, all right. Okay. Perfect, yeah, good. All right, weights on you. All the way in, big push, good. Bit more depth if you can for me. Good, can you get one more? Oh, well done, brilliant. Okay, re-rack. Good effort, excellent, okay. On that 10 seconds. Okay, excellent. Let's get yourself back into position. All right. Leave her behind. Pull. Okay, let's go. Let's get good depth all the way down. Can you get a little bit deeper for me? Go on, get one more. Through the heel, through the heel. Oh, well done, very good. Okay, re-rack, excellent. All right, good work. Okay, so you've got 6 reps in there for me. So I want to see if we can get, certainly the last 2, that'll actually push. You've got 3 and 3, so you need to get 2. That'll keep us within our hypertrophy range. Let's do it. Weight off. Good, okay, in we go. Big push, right down. I want to see if you can push for 9 reps, still in hypertrophy. Can you get one more? Go on, go on, big effort, Chloe, one more rep. Go, go, go. Well done, all right, re-rack for me. And rest there, well done, excellent. All right, brilliant. So, purpose here, obviously for Chloe there, she actually got 9 reps there, which is great. Still very much falls in the hypertrophy range of 6 to 12 reps. Working within strength protocol in terms of the actual volume of weight being lifted, 5 rep max, but pushing to actually get 9 in total with small cluster set of work. A really good way to bridge that gap between strength and hypertrophy.